But you know, after making that serious video, I decided
Very serious video.
that I got a request a long time ago to roast YouTube.
Like 10
Like,
seconds ago.
last time I made a YouTube roast video, someone said that I should actually legit roast YouTube. Am I gonna do that now?
No.
Fuck yes. Hold up, I gotta get Tupac on this one. Tupac!
Oh yeah. I'm ready to see this. Let's go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Next flip. 3, 2, 1.
Yo.
Oh my god. Alright. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Lock up your dogs right now. We can't take any chances. YouTube is on the loose. They're unsubbing. We can't take any chances. Safety first. Okay. Just making sure, guys. Copy and Leafy, I'm sorry. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video today. And if you did, do it